Everybody's Mark Phillip of Studica, and today I'm going to be printing out a gimbal on my DaVinci AiO 3D printer. Now this is a fun part to print because even though it consists of what you see here is three things, like you have this inner circle, the one in the middle, and then the one in the outer, this actually prints as one part, so you don't actually have to print out three different things and piece them together. So what I'll do is hop on my computer. I'll also post a link to the part in the video description, and then I'll send this job to the printer and I'll show you the various stages of printing. So XYZware is basically a slicing program. You import your STL model, you send the job to the printer, and the printer prints it. So to do this, we hit import. On my desktop here I have a Bakito Gimbal version 1 STL file. And then we have the model in here, and we can look at the details by hitting info. This is a pretty large model, and just for the sake of time I'm going to scale this down a little bit so it doesn't take too long to print. And then at this point I'm going to hit print. I'm going to leave it on good quality. I'm using ABS material. We don't need rafts and supports, which is a really cool thing about this model here. We don't need to use anything like that. It all just comes as one piece and nothing special has to be done. I'm going to leave auto repair on. I'm going to look under the advanced options. I think I'm going to leave all of this default. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit print. And the software is going to begin slicing. So now it's ready to print. We see how long it's going to take. We see how much of the cartridge it's going to use. And when I go ahead and hit print, it's going to send the job to the printer and then it's going to start doing its thing. So let's check that out. So we can see the extruder doing work right now. The filament coming out there. See the shape taking form now. It's been 22 minutes. So we're now 42 minutes in. Here's where we're at. We are an hour and 10 minutes in. Let's take a look. So we're still coming along nicely. Hour and 40 minutes. We're now 2 hours 23 minutes in. Alright, so now our object is done. You can see it on the print bed here. And what you do at this point is you take this scraping tool that comes with the AiO and you sort of just go at the base of the model. See it pops off. Alright, so this is the finished piece. Now I have a gimbal and you see it's all one part. I didn't have to put anything together. It all just works on its own. So now we've printed our part, I want to show you a 3D design and print bundle that we have on Studica.com right now for schools. This bundle starts at $29.99 and you'll get 5 XYZ DaVinci Junior 3D printers. You'll also get 20 PLA filament print cartridges. You get to choose the colors of the different filaments. You also get 50 licenses of PTC Creo, which is a mechanical design software. It's industry standard, it's very powerful, and it can export to STL. And along with that, you also get 50 licenses of PTC's cloud-based e-learning platform, so you can get your students and yourself caught up to speed with PTC Creo software. The special bundle is also available for schools throughout Europe and Brazil. The bundle is really a great deal when you consider that there's a lot of 3D printers out there that cost more than $3,000 by themselves with no extra software and no extra filament or anything like that. If you want to check that out, go to www.studica.com, go up to Shop by Brand here at the top, then choose XYZ Printing from the side panel here. And scroll down a little bit and you'll see a section called DaVinci Printer Bundles, and the first one here called 3D Design and Print Bundle. This is what you want, so click Quick View and you'll see information about the package, and if you want more details you can click the See Details button here. It will bring you to a more detailed page. So with that, I want to thank you for watching, and I hope you check out our website, and hope you have a good day and happy printing.